heading down. This is the staircase that leads to the stream. The leaders of the community were anonymous enough to build this staircase before it used to be a very steep slope. But at least this is better than what we used to have before. And one has to be very careful in order not to fall. This is Ishiagbara. My PA is about to fall down. So sorry, Naza. So this is a little trickling of the stream flowing down. When we were kids, we used to come here because the elderly ones would push us away from the mainstream. So we find ourselves down there to fetch the little water we can. So we're heading to the main mouth of the stream. So we can see this is Ishiagbara. This is it. We're heading towards the mouth of the stream. I hope I won't see all those big men and women who used to scare us when we were little. So we're heading down. Oh my God. We're heading down, we're heading down, we're heading down. This is Ishiagbara. It's been more than 10 years I visited this stream. So I'm just so excited this morning that I'm here. Wow, it's part of our childhood memories, Ishiagbara. Imagine the distance I had to trek from my house. Look at the little children who came to fetch water. Hello, good morning. Little children that came to fetch water. I'm so excited. So excited. Well, it's not what it used to be, but Ishiagbara still remains Ishiagbara. Well, right now this morning, that is what used to be the mouth. They've done a little bit of construction on this stream. Let me see what is happening now. So, come along with me. Now, no. Good morning, no. Gano. Wow. Emechi one year, Emechi. I never know about it. Oh, I won't be a so. I say, come and be a little. Can. Wow. Morning. Ka. Wonderful. Lovely. So this is what we have right now. Where December Kaban no. Oh. So the funny idea is for
just that people are not around.
Okay. So because it's not the festive season, that is why you're practically seeing only 2 people. But trust me, during Christmas season, you see a crowd, overwhelming crowd. So at least we have the liberty, you come and fetch and go. That's actually what we are doing. So this is Ishiagbara, the stream in my village. I hope I've been able to entertain you. That's one of my brothers in the village. Hello. Smiling. And that's a sister there fetching from the stream. And this is the area. At least I know once we used to have a place where men will bathe and the women will bathe. Okay,
For men.
That's for men. So men will go over there and bathe. And then what about for the women? Then down there, I think when we are leaving, I'll give you a clip shot of that. Over there, you see where women used to bathe. So right now, Ishiagbara happens to be very cool, very calm, because it's not the festive season. So probably in December, by God's grace, we'll revisit Ishiagbara and I'll give you a clip of what it looks like when people are plenty in town. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.